Alright, job of the day. Customer wants me to change out all his springs and his running gear, so that's what I'm gonna do today. He had a broken spring, so he had 3 leafs. I'm gonna go to 4 leafs. I think some of these might be 4 leafs already. No, 3 leaf, 3 leaf. This one might be a 4 leaf. But I'm gonna change them all out to 4 leafs, upgrade his suspension just a little bit, and then change all his rockers, shackle links, and bolts. Let's get to it. Front axle's off the ground. And tires off. Bolts in, let's get that front spring off. I gotta grab my right angle impact. And front spring is off. U-bolts on the axle right now. I'm just putting in the suspension. And we'll make sure this stuff is flipped correct way when we go to tighten everything down. I got U-bolts on that side, working on U-bolts on this side. Let's get all these tightened up. Cool, everything's tight, U-bolts are tight, new bolts, shackle link, put tires and wheels back on, put on driver's side. Let's get tires and wheels on. Good, tires and wheels are on. Now let's get everything taken care of on this side now. Tires and wheels are off. I got jacks underneath the axles. Everything will stay where it's at when I take these U-bolts off. Let's get the springs out. Okay, I got U-bolts on and tight. I didn't show it because I was grunting a bunch. U-bolts on and tight. I'm going to tighten all the suspension now. Sweet, everything's tight. Alright, got my tester plugged in. All lights are working, it looks like. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Left turn's on and working. Right turn's on and working. Back to markers, yes, yes. Front, yes, yes. Cool. Let's check brakes. Front is free spinning, brakes are on. Locked up, brakes are off. Free spinning. Rear is free spinning, brakes are on. Come on, brakes are on. Front axle works, wiring on the rear axle is not working. Alright, hope if I hooked up the correct wire. Brakes are on, there we go. Oh, come on, brakes off. Free spinning, cool. Now brakes work. Alright, tires and wheels are going on. I got the rear on already. I'm gonna raise up that passenger side, make sure brakes work. Okay, we had a bad wire on this side, got smashed. Front brake on and working, off, free spinning, rear brake, free spinning, on and working, off, free spinning, perfect. And torque your lug nuts. Driver's side done. And passenger side done. Let's do the rundown on this. All new springs, all new U-bolts, all new shackle links, all new shackle bolts, all new shackle nuts. Whole trailer suspension is brand new. I rewired all his brakes. They were broken from hitting the frame. All lug nuts are torqued. All lights work. This job's done and I'm on to the next.